Thank you for joining us on the TradeXchange Midday Roundup for the 4th of May 2015. A check on the futures market, Treasury, and currencies. S&P 500 futures are higher by 6.5 at 2108.00. Dow futures are higher by 61.00 at 17995. Nasdaq futures higher by 9.75 at 4477.5. West Texas Intermediate crude lower by 36 cents at $58.81. Gasoline lower by 0.0163 at 2.0289. Natural gas higher by 0.008 at 2.784. Heating oil lower by 0.0082 at 1.9740. Gold is lower by $12.60 at $1,187.10. Silver is higher by 28 cents at $16.41.5. Platinum higher by $18.30 at $1,148 even. Cocoa higher by $8 at $28.85. On the Treasury side, the 5-year Treasury currently at 1.501%. 10-year currently at 2.130%, and the 30-year at 2.858%. On the currency side, the DXY, the dollar index, at 95.375, higher by 0.08. The euro currently at 1.1166, lower by 0.0032. Pound sterling currently at 1.5122, lower by 0.0005. In a review of economic activity this morning, in the U.S., the ISM New York number came in at 58.1 on a month-over-month basis. Previous was 50.0. The Gallup U.S. Consumer Spending Measure came in at $91. Prior was $86. In the buybacks, EFX reporting a $550 million repurchase plan. WSBF, a 2 million share buyback, and a CMCSA increased share buyback by $2.5 billion. On the syndicate side, ARP has a $600 million mixed shelf. FPI, a $300 million mixed shelf. That's a 1.945 million share offering. And at QTNT, selling holders of 2.79 million shares. In early morning earnings this morning, we had CVC, Cablevision, reports first quarter earnings per share of 16 cents, estimated was 17 cents, sales at 1.61 billion versus the 1.6 billion. That's CVC. BSFT, Broadsoft, first quarter earnings per share coming in at 24 cents versus the 17 cents expected. That's BSFT. Tyson Foods, TSN, reporting a second quarter adjusted earnings per share at 75 cents versus the 72 cents estimated. Sales coming in at 9.98 billion versus the 10.11 billion estimated. That's TSN, Tyson Foods. RLGY, Rheology Holdings, earnings per share and revenue in line. CEVA, first quarter earnings per share of 8 cents, beats by 1 penny. Revenue of 13.8 million, beating by 600,000. That's CEVA. WLK, Westlake Chemical, first quarter earnings per share of $1.10, missing by 10 cents. Revenue of 1.10 billion, missing by 30 million. That's on Westlake, WLK. On Cognizant, CTSH, first quarter earnings per share 71 cents, beats by 1 penny. Revenue of 2.91 billion, beating by 20 million. That's CTSH. Diamond Offshore, DO, first quarter earnings per share 50 cents, beats by 7 cents. Revenue of 620 million, beats by 1.7 million. That's DO, Diamond Offshore. And CMCSA, first quarter earnings per share of 79 cents, beating by 5 pennies. Revenue coming in at 17.85 billion, beating by 440 million. That's CMCSA. Also in option activity this morning, WDAY saw the September 105 call buying at $3.30 over 2,000 contracts. That's WDAY. Also SFUN November 6 put sales, 33,000 contracts at 40 cents. Thank you for joining us on the TradeXchange Midday Roundup for the 4th of May 2015. See you in the afternoon.